Okay, let's switch the lights on. Okay, welcome back to the channel everyone. So today I've got two items from Amazon. These are two TP-Link Kasa products I ordered. They were on discount. I'm a big fan of the TP-Link Kasa stuff, so I'm going to do a bit of an unboxing and set these up with you guys. Okay? Right, let's open the first one. Okay, so the first thing I've got is a smart Wi-Fi LED bulb. It's pretty good. Okay, so the second item I've got is a indoor security camera. Let's take a look inside these then. Let's start with the bulb. Let's put that away for safety. This is my first colour changing bulb. I've got a lot of these dimmable, got a lot of the dimmable white ones. So it's your bulb, it's your screw cap to bayonet adapter, makes it a bit longer I suppose. Yeah, it's about 6.5 inches. 5 inches. So it adds 1.5 inches. Right. That's just a waste of paper, really. Right. Nice. Okay, that's the camera. Got some leads. Okay. Instructions. Standard USB plug. Screws. Packaging. And the lead. I'd say it's about 2 meters. Okay. Take that in. Okay, so that's mini USB. Right. Oh, that's a bit. There we go. Problem solved. Power. So I'm just connecting the app to the camera. Yay, it's connected. Just updating the firmware. Oh, how cool is that? I can get one of these sort of infinity loops going. Ooh. Infinity loop. Okay, so that's all set up now. So this is quite good. In the Kasa app you can obviously detect motion, and you can see, go in here and watch live. Okay, so I set the Kasa camera up there, and if you can see on my phone, there you go. See myself. So that's got quite a good view of the living room from there. Right, so now I'm going to replace this old CFL bulb with this new smart bulb. I need to use oven mitts for this because this bulb has been on all night. Okay. Let's set up this new bulb then. So usually takes a few minutes to find the smart bulb. Good so far. Ooh, it's changing colour, so it must be doing something. I hate waiting for things. I bet it has to update its firmware. All these Kasa devices have to update their firmware as soon as you turn them on for the first time. Name your device. So I'm going to call this my office. Update, told you. Now I have my office. Quite a few smart devices now. Let's have a little play with the new bulb then. So, office, on, off. On, off, red, green, blue, rainbow, brightness. Let's turn that floodlight off. Red, green, blue, purple, orange, yellow, green, blue, brightness, yellow, blue, white, pretty cool. If you can see that. Also gives you energy ratings. Look at all the mess I make when I am unboxing. Okay, thanks for watching this unboxing of the TP Kasa Link products. I hope you like this video. If you do like it, give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more from me, please subscribe to the channel.